Muling idinaos ang Siam International Math and Science Competition sa Bangkok, Thailand, kung saan namayagpag ang galing ng mga kabataang Pilipino hindi lang sa sports, kundi maging sa academics. Ito ang humahataw na balita ni Paula Porta.
Hataw Balita ngayon!
Muling nagwagi ang mga kabataang Pilipinong lumuhok sa ginanap na Siam International Math and Science Olympics o SIMSO na isinagawa sa Bangkok, Thailand mula August 9 hanggang August 12, 2024. Nakipagtagisan ng talino ang mga kinatawan ng Pilipinas sa 15 bansa. 26 na gold medals, 45 silver at 44 na bronze ang nakuha ng Team Pilipinas. Ibinahagi naman ng isang estudyanteng kalahok ang dahilan ng patuloy niyang pagsali sa ganitong kompetisyon.
I like joining competitions because not only do I gain experience from doing math, science, I also get to meet new people from different countries and also new friends. It should be not to be scared to try new things and also to be positive in everything you do, because if you're negative then nothing will happen, and also be confident in everything.
Isang malaking pasasalamat naman ang nais ipaabot ng isang Cambodian participant sa kanyang ina dahil sa suportang binibigay nito sa kabila ng pagiging single mom.
What motivates me? It's the achievements that I was able to get, and also the happiness that it brings to my family. I just want to say thank you for supporting me and for everything you've done for me. I'm really grateful for that, and I love you.
Inspirasyon naman ang hatid ng Presidente at CEO ng International Champions in Education na si Robert Fordan sa mga kalahok ng bansa para sa kompetisyon.
I organized ICE to inspire other kids all around the world to excel more in the fields of math and science, because this is the important aspects of our education today. Last year we have a successful event here also, so I think next year will be a bigger one, more countries coming in, and hopefully we can bring honor to our country, Philippines.
Dumalo rin sa event ang direktor ng teaching profession sa Thailand na si Tiranuk Saipunya at nagbigay ng kanyang mensahe.
I think this SIMSO is impact for children a lot, or children in Thailand or children around the world. They join this SIMSO because in the future they will be a doctor, a scientist, engineering, and maybe they will make the thing very important to the world and to Thailand and to their country too.
Sumuporta naman at proud na proud ang Vice Consul of the Philippines to Thailand, Susan Poby Sabado. Representing Philippine Ambassador to Thailand, Millicent Cruz Paredes, para sa mga kinatawan ng Pilipinas sa event.
Well, of course, firstly, it's my honor to represent our ambassador here to this event. In events like this, magandang makita na yung Pilipinas, ang laki ng delegation. All very proud, of course. Ang dami nating mga awardees na participants, and our organizer is actually Filipino din, di ba? So it's great that we have this event to showcase yung kagalingan naman ng Pilipino sa science and mathematics.
Hindi hadlang ang edad, lahi at estado sa buhay upang maibahagi ang galing sa agham at mathematics, gaya ng mga kabataang Pilipinong nakilahok at nakipagtagisan taglay ang kanilang angking karunungan. Paula Porta, humahataw sa balita ngayon.